You may already have a bank account, maybe you earn an allowance, or even have a job. Now what? You need to have a budget or spending plan. A budget is a plan for your money. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. This gives you control of your money, helps you set goals, and plan for the future. Here are some quick tips for making smart money moves. Step 1. Understand needs versus wants. The first step to good budgeting is understanding needs versus wants. Paying bills and buying food are needs, while movie tickets or a coffee are wants. Prioritizing your needs over wants in your spending plan will help you create a budget. Step 2. Create a budget. Making a budget doesn't have to be a daunting process. When you break it down, it is simply a monthly plan for how you spend your money. When creating a monthly budget, a good place to start is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your spending should go towards your needs, such as food and your phone bill. 30% is for your wants, such as shopping and fun money. 20% is for savings toward a goal, such as your first car or college. Step 3. Automate it. Hit the easy button and take advantage of automatic options such as setting up direct deposit of your paycheck into your account. Sign up for Rogue's Save the Change program, where change from your debit card purchases gets rounded up and automatically deposited into your high-yield savings account. As your income grows, so will your bills. You can schedule automatic payments of your bills to avoid late payments and fees. Step 4. Track it. There are many options for keeping track of your spending habits. Free apps such as Mint.com and EveryDollar allow you to track your spending and see how it lines up to your budget in real time. Keeping an accurate record of your transactions is one of the best ways to keep your budget on track. Step 5. Adjust it. Your budget will look a little different when you are 13 than it will when you are 20. As you lean harder into adulthood with more independence and responsibility, your wants and needs will change. Budgeting is not a set-it-and-forget-it task. Developing good spending habits will require fine-tuning along the way. Finally, know that Rogue Climbers is here to help. We will fill your pack with the tools and financial education resources you need to help summit the peaks on your ascent to financial success. For more tips on creating a budget, visit roguesu.org/learn.